Hey everybody, let's make a ghost. In the spirit of fall and the Halloween season, we are getting a little ghoulie today. Now, this project uses materials from the October 2022 Sketchbox, but I've also got them all linked in the description if you'd like to go find your own and do this project with me. So we're starting with a wet on wet technique, and what this means is that we're getting the paper wet first and then putting on the pigment. And in this case, the pigment is ink rather than classic watercolor. This is an ink set from the Sketchbox, and so that's why in this project we are using orange and black in the spirit of the season. So you can see we're working to get a little bit of a gradient here, orange on the top and black on the bottom, and blending them kind of seamlessly in the middle. So you want this to really dry well before moving on to the next step, which is sketching. Now, I did put together a tracing page. If you'd like to do exactly what I'm doing here, you can access that in the description. I've got a link. It'll come right to your email. So first I sketched that out, and then now I'm going over it with this King Art Inkline pen. And kind of filling out the eyes here, trying to give it a little bit of character, make it look a little bit spooky, creepy. Giving it that classic ghost mouth. Now I'm going back over, making sure those lines are nice and thick. Now, while we're here, if you are enjoying this quick little project, please make sure to turn that thumbs up blue so that this can reach more people looking to have a little bit of ghosty fun. So what I'm doing now, it's not picking up very well on the camera, I don't think, but I'm trying to slightly darken the interior of the ghost to give it a little bit of body and separation from the background. Now, what I'm doing is I'm using some masking tape, and I traced out the shape of the ghost and then cut out the masking tape so I could put that right over there. And this is so that I can do this quick little flick technique with the brush with that black ink and make that background just have a little bit more character. Now, one thing to be careful of with that masking tape is to make sure that that ghost is completely dry, or it will pull up some of that paper. You can also see here I am adding in a bit of shadow to ground this a little bit, give more of that appearance of that ghost floating in space. And you are welcome to stop here. I actually kind of like this simple version, but if you're wanting to get a little bit more ambitious, the Sketchbox kit did come with this paint pen. And so if you'd like, we can add a little bit more spooky flair with some evil orange eyes and some of these orange ink lines. And you can see I'm also going back over these with the brush to just give them a little bit more personality. And there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little project. Share it with a friend. Or if you're looking for another fun, quick, and easy project, definitely check out this one right here next. I will see you all next time.